AME7CUA, AME7CUA, Bazooka? Don't worry, you're not alone in butchering the name. Hi, I'm danamezcua. I started my career way back in the 1900s and started my career in video in the late 1990s. I'm the oldest of 5 kids. My dad was a famous newscaster. Our mom was the perfect mom. My sister followed in my dad's footsteps in news broadcast. My brother is a famous surfer. My other brother is a famous musician. My youngest brother, also a photographer, videographer, just like me, except way better. Our family moved all over the country, following my dad's career around. We lived in Colorado, New York, Texas, Arizona, Oregon, several places in San Diego, a few places in Los Angeles, just to name a few. For example, in San Diego, we rented a house for a year, then moved to New York for a year, and then moved back to San Diego, the same street, just a few houses up from our old house. My childhood was a bit chaotic as a result. The family curse of not staying put followed me into my adult years, where I lived in Louisiana, Mississippi, Portugal, Cape Verde, Africa, Salt Lake City, Los Angeles, and now Las Vegas. I was married, had 2 amazing talented kids named Vincent and Ethan, went through a divorce, was remarried, became a stepdad to 3 beautiful little girls named Lola, Nora, and Gwen, and had 1 more boy we named Bodie. My wife and I are now the modern Brady Bunch. When I started my career in video production, it was back in the days of physical tapes. I used to have to take 3 huge tapes called Betacam tapes just to make a transition. It took 2 tapes with video content and 1 blank tape as the new source for the final footage. It was one hell of a process. The system of doing things was happily overcome when video production moved to the digital world. I became AVID certified so that I could work on these new digital productions that were coming out. Nowadays, anyone with a smartphone can easily do more than we ever could do 20 years ago. The video world has become quite an exciting place to be. I created this channel to share what I have learned over the years about video and photo production. I am always wanting to learn more for myself. As we know, you learn more when you teach. So thank you for the opportunity to help me with my own journey.